Hello everyone, this is Emily from Apple Dental. Welcome to our smart dental chair factory. Today I'm going to show you something super cool. How the most frequently used dental chair was created. Now follow our lens. This is our modern production system. It divided into 5 parts. The first part is the structure assembling area. The second part is the accessory assembling area. The third part is the core assembling area. And the fourth part is the test and debugging center. And the last part is the shipment and package area. And now let's follow us. This is the structure assembling area. As you can see, it is made of Q235 alloy, which the advantage is high strength and not easy to rust. Listen, this sounds of dense of metal textures, very crisp and durable. And look at the butterfly-shaped backrest, which using 4mm integral modeling technology. It gives us a feeling of being very durable and thick. And this part is 14mm thick button plane, which is much more thicker than the other factory. And the entire frame, the cost of the entire frame is twice expensive than the other factories. But in return, it has an ultra load bearing capacity of 1,125 kilograms. What does this mean? It means we can use this dental chair to treat an adult polar bear. This dental chair is as stable as mountain. And look at this. This part we're using medical oil-free bearing, which is more quiet and durable. And all of the external hardware, like this part, and this part, was double protected. First, we electroplaned with high temperature paints. And then, dear partners, this invisible ingenuity are the golden key to open your market. It means the after sales cost will be returned by 40%. And our slogan is 10 years of stable operation, no more frequency maintenance. Okay, we will go into the second part, accessory assembling area. So if you have any question, you can leave the message to our sales manager. Please follow our lens. And here is our accessory assembling area. As you can see, you will see the instrument tray, floor box, handling bearings, arms, side box were assembling here. See, our working stations is very clean. And we implement the 5S standard, tool positioning, material classification, visualization of working stations. Follow our lens. This is the instrument tray assembling area. And here is the spitting flushing assembling area. And here is the balance arm assembling area. And this is the cover of the instrument tray. And here is the side box assembling area. And here is the floor box assembling area. Hello, sir. Can you speak English?
Hi, yes. Yes. So we are doing international business. A lot of customers will come to visit our products and factory frequently.
So I see you are doing the texting on the side box. Can you introduce the side box to me?
Yes, so this is like our Cybos. We use intelligent motor control system. So it's the brain of like integral dental unit. Yeah.
So what is the special of this control system?
Let's say, so first, it's super doable. We've been text the motor like more than 33 and 800 times, and it's zero jamming. The second, we use imported electron motor. The combination of motor ensure 10 years of stable use.
Wow.
And the third part is superpower. So the upper motor controls the backrest with like 5,000 newtons. So the lower motor controls the lifting with like 8,000 newtons, which is 2 times stronger than other ordinary motor. And the fourth part I would like to say is zero gravity experience. So when patient lying down is as comfortable as floating. So when lifting is as smooth as silk. Yeah. So the last part for this one is like it's ultra quiet. So the noise level is less than 45 decibel.
Wow.
Quieter than a library.
Wow. So that's the reason why so many dentists like this model, right?
Yes, this is the reason why so many customers like buy our dental unit. We sold to more than 70 countries.
Oh, okay. Such amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
So now we are going to the core assembling line, which the standard of assembling is medical grade. Let's see. See, here is our core assembling line, where you can see most of the spare parts already assembling here. Please look at the instrument tray. They have 6 holders on here. So you can put the built-in scaler, built-in curing line, built-in electric motor, and the handpiece tube and the 3-way spring on together in here. And okay, please focus on here has a 1 button. It's for electric, water, and air spray. So it's more convenient for the dentist treatment. Convenient and fast. And please come here. Here is the balance arm. We built in the Germany oil-free bearing in these 2 sides. It's super durable and accurate stop. And look at this is the side box. It's under patent technology and under 210-degree temperatures, double layer. So even use the key to scratch, it will no problem. See, still as new one. This is our quality. And this is our lid of the spitten. Millimeter A5 quality lid. It's no problem for falling down, you can see. Even falling down is no problems. This is the other ceramic lid. If falling down, it will be broken. See, it's broken. So this is the difference. This is our quality. So what is the dentist will care about of the leather? Durable, environmental, or comfortable? Yes, both of it. Our leather is resistant, wear resistant, reborn resistant. You can see. Even use the knife to scratch. No problem. Other factory leather maybe use 2 years or 3 years, it will disappear the color, but our leather will not. We have 12 colors for the microfiber leather and 10 color of the PU leather for options. So now we are going to show you that why our dental chair can use 10 years no broken. Let's go, follow our lens. And do you know what is the secret why our dental chair can use 10 years no colors? Because Let's see. This is the ABS raw material. This is the ASA raw material. All of our dental chair using ASA raw material. The difference is both of them is after 196 hours UV light exposed text. See, this ABS quality already turned into yellow color, but our ASA quality still as new one. And we use the ASA like this part, and LED lamp, this part, this instrument tray, this part, and the floor box, this cover, and also this side box. So all of this quality we using ASA raw material is stand high temperature and UV exposed. And now about this is a flash LED lamp. It's sensitive. And also this is a hanging balance arm. We also using the Germany bearings, so it's stop accuracy, very smooth. That's it. So now we will go into the test and the debugging center this way. Here is the testing center. As you can see, we will test the air, the water, and the electricity here. Also the up and down. Also the scaler and curing line. So after testing, then we will send the dental chair to the package area. Let's go. These dental chairs are waiting for package. See, here is our package area. All of this spare part was well protected, as you can see in this sign. One of our workers one day only can pack like 5 pieces, because every model we need to protect in heavy cartons and then make sure it can use long-term distance. It can stand the long-term distance and the transportations. And see, this is the finished carton package, as you can see, which we use the very heavy wooden case, well protected. This is our warehouse, 1,600 square meters.